Good afternoon, everyone. It is Saturday, and I got my new purchase from Amazon. It is a Shark Navigator lift-away vacuum. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. I'm so super excited. I have been ordering some items off of Amazon that have HEPA filters because I have a child who is 9 years old with some major allergies, and since my divorce, we are no longer living in a house with a dog. However, I do have a cat, but my cat is inside, outside, inside, outside. She's hardly inside. So we are working. I am trying really hard to keep my apartment clean at all times and help with the air system in here and trying to make it easier and better for my son with allergies to breathe. I also have major sinuses and allergies. I have ordered 2 HEPA humidifiers, and one of them will be for upstairs in my son's room. One of them would be down here in the living room. And so I want to do this unboxing. I want to be able to also use this vacuum to help get rid of all of those allergens in my apartment as I'm cleaning. And so I am so super excited to open this and see what I think of it. All right. So far, so good. It's in a box that, I'll just read it to you. 2 ways to clean. I can take it apart, and I can use it on the stairs, which is great, and it won't be heavy. I can also do an upright mode. It has a HEPA filter enough. It says HEPA filters alone are not enough. With a unsealed HEPA vacuum, dust and allergens can escape around the filters and back. So this has 99.9% of anti-allergens. It's very good to use on upholstery. It has a tool and a crevice for your baseboards tool. So super excited to have this brand new vacuum. Here's what it looks like in the box. And so let's open her up. It says I can wash my filter. It's like a sponge. I can wash it, I can dry it, and then I will be able to reuse it. There is the manual. Everything is nice and neat in the package. Comes with an attachment here that holds your hose. Here is the main part of your vacuum, very lightweight. I love the color, it's purple. Oh, you guys, I'm going to be so happy to use this. Look at that. It comes with a vacuum brush for upholstery. Everything is wrapped up very well. It's going to be so much fun. Here is my hose. Here's the attachment for the crevices. Oh, whew, this is nice. I love it. Okay, I think this goes on here like that. That was so easy to put together. Everything has been so easy to snap together, except for this one piece. Let's see here. think maybe I just gotta align it maybe better. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions just to see how it attaches. Got the hose attached. It looks like it just snaps into place. Snap, snap. Okay, why is this not snapping? This snapped perfectly. This is not, however, but I did put this piece here. Maybe it doesn't go there. Doesn't go there. Gotta find out where this goes. Okay, everything is snapping together. I just need to find out where this little piece was supposed to go. Looks like it's on the handle. Might even go here. Didn't try it here. No. That does not work there. Where does this little attachment go? This is the only one. According to the pictures, it goes up here. I see where it goes. It does go up here. There's a little notch in this piece and it goes a certain way over the notch. Turn it around. There we go. All right. Gotcha. All right. So, had it upside down, but that's good. I got it working now, I think. So this would go here. And this one would go there. It was opposite of what I thought. I thought it would go the opposite direction. So, I am ready to try it now. Okay, it's the moment of truth. It leans back very easily. So I need to see if there's plastic or something on it. Yes, it is. No, it is not got plastic on it, but it is a plastic beater. It has no fuzz on it, so that's good. There is dust already in here, so it is working. It is picking up. It is, the dust I got just in a few minutes, guys. I love this. That shows how dirty my carpet was. I just did one little section. It's got different settings. It's got different settings on this red button here. Wow. You guys, can you see how dirty that is? And I just did one little section. This is going to be amazing for cleaning up my apartment. I didn't realize my floor was that dirty. So I'm super excited to give this whole apartment that I have a deep clean. So I want to thank you guys for watching this review. The Shark vacuum. I think I'm in love. Single mom work is never done. Have a nice night. Bye.